there's a point where convenience starts to matter just as much as cleaning power. Because even a strong vacuum becomes frustrating if it feels heavy, awkward, or difficult to use every single day. And that's exactly why lightweight cordless vacuums have become such an important category. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Eureka ReactiClean 410 Cordless Vacuum, a lightweight cordless vacuum designed for pet owners, allergy-sensitive homes, apartments, and anyone looking for fast, practical daily cleaning without dragging around a full-sized upright vacuum. If your home deals with pet hair, fine dust, hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, or frequent everyday messes, this product immediately becomes relevant. And if you'd like to check pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. What makes the ReactiClean 410 stand out is its balance. It focuses less on flashy extras and more on the things people genuinely notice during long-term ownership: weight, maneuverability, runtime, filtration quality, and ease of use. Reason 1. Lightweight design changes the cleaning experience. At only 5.5 pounds, this vacuum feels noticeably easier to carry, maneuver, and store than many traditional cordless models. That matters more than people often expect. Cleaning stairs, reaching overhead areas, or vacuuming multiple rooms becomes less tiring and far more approachable for everyday use. In smaller homes and apartments, especially, the lightweight build creates a more convenient overall experience. Reason 2. Strong suction with practical real-world performance. The high-efficiency BLDC motor delivers up to 20.3 kilopascals suction power, which is more than enough for daily cleaning across hardwood floors, tile, rugs, and low-pile carpets. It handles dust, crumbs, fine debris, and pet hair confidently without feeling underpowered. The performance feels focused on consistency rather than exaggerated peak power numbers, which is often more valuable in day-to-day cleaning. Reason 3. Excellent for pet owners. Pet hair is one of the biggest challenges for cordless vacuums because brushroll tangling can quickly reduce performance over time. The ReactiClean 410 uses a tangle-resistant brush design that helps reduce hair buildup while maintaining smoother operation. For homes with dogs or cats, this translates into less maintenance and a more dependable cleaning routine throughout the week. Reason 4. Runtime that supports whole home cleaning. Battery performance is another area where this vacuum feels thoughtfully designed. With up to 50 minutes of runtime in mid-mode, it can cover approximately 1,345 square feet on a single charge. That's enough for many apartments, medium-sized homes, and routine maintenance cleaning sessions without constantly stopping to recharge. Reason 5. Cleaner air for allergy-sensitive homes. The sealed 5-stage filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, which helps improve overall air quality while vacuuming. For households dealing with allergies, dust sensitivity, or pets, this creates a noticeable difference in how clean the home feels after use. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the filtration system adds an extra layer of confidence beyond simple floor cleaning performance. Reason 6. Handheld flexibility adds everyday value. The Quick Convert handheld mode makes this vacuum especially practical for stairs, upholstery, car interiors, furniture, and tighter spaces where larger vacuums become inconvenient. Instead of storing separate cleaning tools, the ReactiClean 410 adapts naturally to multiple cleaning situations throughout the home. Of course, there are limitations worth mentioning. High power mode reduces runtime significantly to around 15 minutes, and homes with very thick carpets may still benefit from a larger dedicated upright vacuum for deep cleaning. But within its intended category, the ReactiClean 410 delivers an impressively balanced ownership experience. What ultimately makes this vacuum stand out is how easy it is to actually live with. Lightweight, practical, reliable, and designed around everyday cleaning rather than occasional deep clean sessions. Thank you for watching Buy with Confidence. If the Eureka ReactiClean 410 feels like the right fit for your home and lifestyle, you'll find the product link in the description below. And as always, choose thoughtfully, buy carefully, and invest in products that genuinely improve daily living.